we know that the sum of all angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degree, right? 360 degree. So what we have, how to find the fourth angle? Therefore, the measures of fourth angle is equal to 360 minus sum of all the angles, so 100 plus 75 plus 105 degree. Okay, if you simplify this one, this will be 360 degree minus 105, 180, 280 degree. So that is equal to 80 degree. Yeah. So which option is correct? Option D is correct. Fine. Next, in a parallelogram, sum of two adjacent angles. What is the answer? Sum of two adjacent angles. What is the answer? Sum of two adjacent angle. What is the answer? Okay, why 180 degree? Why sum of or sum of look, if this is a parallelogram, right? Adjacent side means, I hope adjacent side means, you know, adjacent side means this angle and this angle. Okay, adjacent, they are called adjacent angle. So when you consider these two angle, look, AD and BC parallel and DC is transversal. Okay, so always adjacent angle will be so adjacent angle will be always the pair of what interior angle on the same side of transversal. DC is the transversal and this angle AD, let me show you in the diagram. To say these two angle. Yeah, you can see the red color mark. So these two angle will always interior angle on the same side of transversal. Okay, and we know that interior angle on the same side of transversal is 180 degree. So answer will be mm, is 180 degree. In bracket you can say interior angles on the same side of transversal. Okay, look, in exam you don't have to write anything, right? But for explanation I'm just showing. Okay, Then next question is saying the diagonal of a rhombus is 12 and 16. Okay, the length of side of the rhombus. How to find this one? For this one I need to draw one. Just hold on a minute. 16 and 12, so it will be 6 and okay. You can see my necessity diagram is this. Okay, so I'm showing you once. I hope everyone can see this one. This is the rhombus. Okay, this is a rhombus, and in rhombus, I hope can anyone tell me that what is the properties of diagonal in a rhombus? What is the property of diagonal in a rhombus? No, what 90 degree is almost right. The diagonals of rhombus are different. Okay, any more information, like they can intersect in some particular angle. Diagonals of rhombus intersect in particular angles. Any information like this? Diagonals of rhombus intersect each other at 90 degree. Okay, diagonals of rhombus intersect each other at 90 degree. That is the most important information here. So basically what information given? Information given, the diagonal is, I did not wrote all the side name. Okay, so it's we don't need. So diagonal, this blue color diagonal and the green color diagonal intersect at 90 degree. Fine. We have to find the what? The side means we have to find the AB. So not intersect, this will be bisect. Okay, not intersect, it will be bisect. Okay, the diagonals of the rhombus are not equal in length. Okay, and they bisect means divide into equal part. Yeah, bisect in at O. Okay, bisect at 90 degree. So you can see this angle is 90, and AO and OB are, AO is 6 and OB is 8. So you have to write, so AO equal to 6 centimeter and OB equal to 8 centimeter, and angle AOB equal to 90 degree. So you can understand that AOB is actually a right angle triangle, right? In triangle, in triangle AOB, in triangle AOB. So basically we can use the Pythagoras theorem, right? In this triangle, we can AOB triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, if you use the Pythagoras theorem, it will be AO square plus, sorry, AO square plus OB square. I hope everyone remember Pythagoras theorem is equal to AB square, right? Then just put the values. Put the values. AO square value is 6 square, no? Yeah, 6 square plus 8 square is equal to AB square. So next line, AB equal to what we can write? We can write AB square equal to 6 square is 36 plus 64, which is equal to 100. So next line we can write AB is equal to square root of 100. Okay, which is equal to 10. So the length of the side is 10 centimeter. Option option A. Option A is correct. Okay, last question option I did not get. Now, last question option is B. Okay, here write down this one. Option B. Option B. Fine. Then next question number 4. For question number 4 now, just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, I have to draw the diagram. I was doing this one. Just wait for a minute. Okay, my diagram is done. We can see. Okay, this can be proved by with, I mean, like, I just draw the diagram because this is MCQ question, so I'm not doing the real proof. Okay, Asaralu is joining so late. Brigitte is here. No. Okay, so let read out the question. Question is saying, if APQ and CQD are two parallel lines, APQ and CQD. Okay, the diagram is wait. You can see APB and CQD are two parallel lines. Okay, and the bisector of the angle APQ, you can see with the light blue line. I draw the APQ bisector. Okay, now BPQ with the orange line, I draw the bisector. Bisector means, I hope you know, bisector means divide the angle into equal part, right? So the PD line, the orange color line, bisect the BPQ. Next, CQP, this angle bisected by this green line, and this PQD bisected by this BQ, that violet color line. Now asking what they form, what figure inside this form? Can anyone tell me what figure is formed inside? Very known figure, but I shaded with the sky blue one. What figure is this? What figure is this? Then I will discuss the answer. Can you hear my voice or not? Anyone can reply me? Can you hear my voice properly? Yeah. So what is the answer? Let me know the answer. Uh, Obviously, see, you are giving from the book, but I'm saying that what figure is this? Sky blue color one. What figure? I know all of your book mark with the correct answer, but that is not the correct way to learn. Let me know what is this sky blue one figure. This looks like actually a square, right? This looks like actually a square, but the thing is that, just imagine if I extend this APB and the distance between CQD line, this line, and this will be a rectangle, because this length will increase that time. Now this distance between this line is not, I mean, distance between them is so close, so it is look like rectangle. But look like a square. But square is also a rectangle. So the answer will be a rectangle. Answer will be a rectangle. Okay, form a rectangle. Why? Because square, it look like square, but a square is also a rectangle. Okay. Um, Next, question number 5. ABCD parallelogram bisector of two adjacent angle A and B meet at O. Okay, so let's do bisector of ABCD. This one also wait for a minute. Bisector of A and C. Bisector of A and B at O. meet at O. Find the AOB. Okay, this is our required diagram. Okay, I can't zoom at all because I hope it's visible. The diagram is visible, right? Everyone, the diagram is visible. So in the you can see in ABCD parallelogram, the bisector of two adjacent angles AO and BO. AO is the red color one. You can see the bisector of angle A, and OB is the bisector of angle B. They met at O. We have to find the AOB, this angle AOB. How to find? Can anyone tell me this angle length? OAB. OAB. What is the length? What is the measure of OAB angle? What is the measure of OAB angle? OAB means this angle. This angle is half of angle A, because it is the bisector of angle A. Right? Fine. Mark this one number 1. Then similarly, angle OBA is half of angle B. Mark this one number 2. Okay. Now add 1 and 2. If you add 1 and 2, what we will get? We'll add 1 and 2, so we'll get left hand side this one plus this one, which is equal to half of fine. Then next line, these two angle, sum of these two angle is equal to, if I take half common, what will left inside? It will be A plus B, right? Okay, so I took half common, so it will be angle A plus B. Can anyone tell me what is the measure of angle A plus B? Angle A plus angle B, how much? 45 degree. No, 45 degree. Let me know now. Yeah, 180 degree. Yes, because they are adjacent angle. It is 180 degree. Right. Answer, because um, A and B are adjacent angles of ABCD. ABCD parallelogram. Okay. Now, so what is the angle of this? What is the value of this? The value of this will be half of 180 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. Fine. Now, in triangle AOB, in triangle AOB, in triangle AOB, angle angle AOB plus how much this one? In angle, sorry, in triangle, I'm moving this one a little bit down. I hope it is visible. In triangle AOB, I'm asking AOB, this angle plus OAB, this angle plus OBA. That means sum of all angles in a triangle. That is equal to 180 degree. Right. Now, we just got we just got OAB plus OBA is equal to 90 degree. So we replace this one 90 degree. Fine, which is equal to 180 degree. So next line AOB is equal to AOB is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. Fine. So that's our answer. This is also very good question. This may give you as a this may give you as a multiple choice question, but it's very good question. Fine. So option which option is correct? Option A is correct. Fine. Let's go to the question number exercise 2. I mean 8.2 is almost. So already 111 is okay. Today we can complete. Question number 8 point sorry exercise 8.2 question number 1, page number 161. In a triangle ABC, D and E are midpoints of AB and AC. Okay, let me draw the diagram. I'll tell you. In ABC, just wait a minute, okay? Okay, just check out this diagram. We can see in the question is saying in ABCD D and E is the midpoint of AB and AC. Okay, A is given 100 and AED is given 30 degree. Okay, so basically we have to find B. B means this angle. So let's write in triangle ADE. Triangle ADE means this small triangle ADE. What will be the value of this angle? Angle ADE. ADE means this angle. It will be equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree plus 30 degree, because other two angle is this. If you simplify this one, it will be 180 degree minus 130 degree, which is equal to 50 degree. Fine. Now DE parallel to BC. Can anyone tell me why DE parallel to BC? Why DE parallel to BC? Why DE parallel to BC? Please reply me fast. I wrote DE parallel to BC. Why? Why DE parallel? They don't intersect. No, there is a theorem. I told to revise the theorem. By theorem 8.9, we know that if we join the midpoint of two sides of a triangle, then it will be parallel to the third side. So D and E is the midpoint of ABSE. That means DE will be parallel to BC by theorem 8.9. Okay, you just check theorem later. So if these two are parallel, then we can write angle ADE equal to angle DBC. What I'm writing, I'm saying that ADE, this triangle, this angle equal to DBC, this angle. Why? Any reason why they are their corresponding angles? Okay, because DE parallel to BC and AB transversal. Okay, you can see DE parallel to BC and AB transversal. So this is corresponding angles. The corresponding angles are equal. Now put the values. Put the values. AD equal to AD equal to we got from here 50 degree, and DBC, which should be equal to angle DBC, and angle DBC and angle ABC are same, or angle B, you can see angle B. Okay, so angle B value we got angle B value equal to 50 degree. Okay, angle B value is 50 degree. Option C is correct. Then uh, then question number two, in triangle ABC right angle at B. Okay, here also diagram needed, so just wait for a minute. I just came to new this one today only. Not 9 is not here. Um, okay, in ABC triangle D and E, the midpoint of AB and AC. Okay, so you can see in this triangle, this is a right angle triangle ABC. ABC is right angle at B. Okay, and D and E is the midpoint of AB and AC. You can see AB is given 6 and AC is given 10. We have to find the length of DE. So we know that if the midpoint of two sides of a triangle join, then it is parallel to third side and half of the third side. That means DE equal to half of BC. So basically we have to find BC by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and then we can find D. Let's write down by Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Okay, then just put the values. AB square means 6 square plus BC square value we don't know, equal to 10 square. So we can write BC square is equal to 100 minus 36, which is equal to 64. Okay, BC 10 equal to 10 square is 100, and this one 64 equal to 8. So BC is 8 centimeter. Then by theorem 8.9, theorem 8.9. If you have confusion still, you can check out. We know DE is equal to half of BC, equal to 1 by 2 of BC length is 8, which is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, so option B is correct. Fine. Next question, next two question left. We'll do these two question, otherwise it will left for next day. Then we'll end the class. Okay. It's saying that in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB and E is the point on AC. Okay. Let's draw the diagram. Just wait for another 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes the class will finish. Just wait for a minute for the diagram. Chalo, this is the diagram. Okay, you can see in this is the without diagram I can explain also, but with diagram it's saying D is the midpoint of AB. Okay, and E is any point on AC. It's not saying midpoint or what. One thing is given that DE length of DE is 4 centimeter and length of BC is 8 centimeter. So it's clearly shown that DE is half of BC. Look, 8 is half of 8 is 4. So it's clearly D is equal to half of BC, right? Because D is 4 and BC is 8. So therefore we can say therefore we can say D parallel to BC by theorem 8.10 by theorem 8.10. Okay, if this is the half of the theorem is the line drawn through the midpoint of one side to the triangle parallel to another side. Okay, to the this will be it not 8.10 but it's like 8.9 also by 8.9 and 10. So this is the things. Okay, so let's move on to the last question. ABCD is a quadrilateral, PQRS are midpoints. You have to draw the again diagram. Wait a minute. ABCD. A, B, C. Okay, just wait for a minute. ABCD quadrilateral, PQR is midpoint of this one. AB, BC, CD. Okay. Okay, so PQR is we have to find the value of QR. Okay, for the last question, this is our diagram. You can see ABCD was the any quadrilateral. Okay, then I still did not ask the roll numbers. Roll numbers will ask after the class, after this last question. So PQRS is the midpoints of AB, CD, and DC. Sorry, AB, BC, CD, and DA. PQR. Now we join. We have this length of this BD. Okay, and we join QR because we have to find QR. Okay. Now in triangle BDC, triangle BCD, this triangle BDC, in this triangle we can see R and Q are midpoints of CD and CB sides. You can see that R and Q are the midpoints of these two sides. So therefore RQ will equal to half of BC, that is the third side, and BC value is given. BC value is given 12. That means RQ is equal to 6. That's the answer. So which option is correct? Option C is correct. Okay. Okay. So that's our answer, complete answer of 8.2. So next day, as I told you, I will start chapter 7 revision. Okay,